Yeah, I don't know what that is on top of my
On top of your what?
camera.
Use my lens cleanser. Spray.
Alright, hey you guys, how y'all doing? So yeah, again, with old houses come issues. So we have been dealing with our toilets for the last 2 days. Today is the 7th. Today's the 7th, and so since like the 5th, we've been trying to get everything situated with our toilets and stuff. So we finally went to Home Depot and rented an auger, and so y'all can get some cleaning motivation today of both bathrooms, and y'all can see a whole bunch of literally crap, like seriously. So yeah, so Doug is going to rinse off the auger. We're gonna take that back to Home Depot, and he's full of crap all on him.
Valentine, sunny day, you make my dream come true. 행복한 너 그리고 나 우릴 비추고 with you by my side.
Stop playing. Let me find something to put this thing on. So how y'all doing today? I hope y'all having a good Sunday. It's actually a pretty decent day. It's not too cold.
No. Let's go let it air dry. We're gonna push it to the back. Just let it air dry.
Why are we letting it air dry? Just take it back. I don't want it no more.
We can shift it while we're interactive. We can go ahead and shift it. Or you just wanna? Okay. Alright. I was going, like I said, give it a little bit of time. Been looking for this one. If you want to do it now, just give it 5 minutes just to drip a little bit. And I'll set this up. Then you can go shoot some footage of the bathroom in our room is going to be one.
They're all.
Oh, get the Lysol refiller thing. And we'll have to fill that spray bottle up. And probably gonna need some trash bags to scoop the crap out to start cleaning. Right, okay.
So the girls' bathroom. Okay guys, as we were walking into this bathroom, I'm just letting y'all know it is not pretty at all. Not pretty, and it's normally stuff people don't put on YouTube. So I'm just letting y'all know. That's how bad it got. Yeah. Just terrible. So y'all gonna get a massive bathroom clean pre-Thanksgiving video today, and it's going to be a collab with our content support group, and I'm so excited. Yeah, we'll be back after this.
I leave the TV on, I'm done with your sad eyes. I can take another night with you on like this, so let's go, I'm sure you can take it. He's a vagabond, he won't love you better. I can watch you sinking down on the battleship. So count to 10, then again, Mississippi.
outside and you saw inside where you can rent certain things for the house rather than have get the rest of the stuff real quick that they have outside. Okay, so rather than get somebody and paying them, the highest I think we got quoted was 500, and then the lowest was like 300. You can do it for under $100 by yourself. So yeah, let me just go ahead and get everything that they have today. All right, let's go get this cleaning motivation done. See y'all soon. Okay, you guys, I just want to take this time to go ahead and introduce myself. My name is Atoya, Douglas's wife, and Ray, Mamie, and Ezekiel's mother. And this is Atoya at home. So as you can see, we have some house shenanigans going on today. I'm going to go ahead and click that link up for that playlist up above below. We've been in this house for 4.5 years so far, and we have been through so much with this house, but this is my house and I love it. And it was a house that spoke to me when we first walked through the door, so it's fine. So today we have been dealing with plumbing issues as before. We have a lot of trees around the house and a lot of roots, and they're coming through the pipes and all the dramatization. I think the pipes are just old and small. And so, yeah, so we had to go ahead and get the auger from Home Depot. Rather than having you call a plumbing person and get somebody else to do it and spend $500, $300, go ahead and spend less than $100. I think altogether we spent $52. And go ahead and take care of that clog all by yourself. If you can't take care of it through the inside of your house, go ahead and take care of it through your outside of your house. So that's what we did today. And we just giving you this ultimate pre-Thanksgiving disinfecting bathroom cleans. I know for me, whenever we have anything going on, one of the first things that you clean is your bathroom and your kitchen. And so the bathroom needed to be clean, as you saw, and we got it nice and clean and disinfected and decluttered. And I really hope that y'all really enjoy this information, this motivation, this inspiration. And if you haven't yet, go ahead and click that subscription button down below and join the fam. For we are the family that loves life and having fun and give you the motivation and inspiration that you need to live your life abundantly. So don't forget to click that subscription button. Don't forget to go ahead and smash that thumbs up, and don't forget to go ahead and, if you can, go ahead and comment down below. All right, let's go ahead and get back to this motivation and to this music.
There's something I'd have to say. I love you and I hate you, and I hope you feel the same. Come a little closer, baby, please don't walk away. I love you and I, yeah.
ahead and take care of the grit of it before I put it on camera. Y'all have already seen how bad it is, so there's no purpose. Just let's let me clean it up real quick, and then we get to the tidying up of everything else. It's just, yeah, we're just gonna disinfect after that, but we're gonna go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up first, and then we're gonna get to the nitty gritty of the everything else. All right.
All my friends reassure that it's obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try.
So what I just did was just took the hot water and I just went around in a circle to get the stuff down, to go down into the drain and back out the house. Yeah. Doug was thinking I was gonna have to scoop it. No, we ain't scooping, it's done thing. But I am about to go ahead and clean, get some Comet and some Lysol bleach and get this stuff cleaned up and get the house disinfected. Pre-Thanksgiving collab clean, bathroom clean. So yeah, I'm hoping you liking all this motivation, inspiration that we're giving to you today. And yeah, we're gonna get this other bathroom done and taken care of, and yeah, that'll be it for y'all today. Get this toilet done. I will be using the same Clorox scrubby thingy that we have. And yeah, all right, y'all, let's get this stuff cracked.
The only reason I keep sneaking out at night, keep wishing you would kiss me under city lights. I know you feel it every time I look at you. How I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love, coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck, coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck, trying to steal your heart, coming to get you. Coming to get you, coming to get you. Coming to get you.
Got my head over water for the first time in years. Got my feet across the border from a land of tears. Ain't no way I'm going back under. Got my eyes in the wild blue yonder. Will lies beyond the horizon? Let's go find out. Feeling free, free to live my life, free to roll the dice, free to go left or right. I wanna feel free to go wherever I choose, free to stay or just cruise, free to sing, free to dance, free to give into lust and romance, free. That's what I wanna be. That's what I wanna be. Now things are moving along and I'm picking up speed. I'm singing my own songs and making ends meet. But good enough ain't good nor enough. When going for gold, then things can get rough. What lies beyond
you
the
guys, so I just wanna-
horizon?
Can
Let's
you mute that
go
thing?
find
Hey.
out.
Can you mute it, please? Thank you. Say that again.
I said I could if I want to, but I don't want to.
Alright, everyone, thank y'all so much for watching this pre-Thanksgiving disinfecting cleaning video motivation. and collab with our content support group. If you are a YouTuber who are in need of support and some help, go ahead and DM me at Instagram at Atoya at Home, or Instagram @DATFamily5, DAT Family 5, and we can hopefully help you out just a little bit. We are all micro YouTubers, influencers, trying to get our way around the algorithm of YouTube. So if you have any knowledge and y'all want to join our group, let us know. Also, this collab is hosted also by me, Sierra, and yeah, so I want to thank y'all so much again, and yeah, don't forget to click the playlist down below, and we will see you next time on the tube. Peace out, y'all. Bye.